What if your cryptocurrency could be rendered obsolete overnight by quantum computing?
That's the chilling reality we need to address. We've gathered insights from leading experts on how to navigate these potential pitfalls.
In today's video, we will break down complicated topics like the quantum risks associated with Bitcoin and the viability of Ethereum's strategies for quantum proofing.
And the best part? You'll gain all this vital information in just a fraction of the time, thanks to our AI-driven summaries.
So, stick around as we dive deep into these insights and help you stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Quick reminder, this content is for educational purposes and not investment advice. Coming up next, get ready for insights on the best 5 cryptos to buy now for 100 times potential returns, featuring the anonymous crypto analyst. Last week was a disaster for the crypto market, but strangely, that might signal a positive shift for what's to come.
Is that your way of saying we need to endure some pain to appreciate future gains? Just like they say, a red week may lead to a green one.
So, are we looking at a buying opportunity here, or is it just wishful thinking?
Pepe coin is gaining traction as a meme coin, especially due to recent social media promotion by Elon Musk.
But is it wise to follow a meme trend? Can hype genuinely translate into long-term value?
I'm still skeptical about these meme investments. How do we differentiate a fleeting trend from a substantial opportunity?
So Pepe coin has dropped significantly, but is now showing signs of resurgence. How should investors respond?
It's crucial to analyze the buyback activity. That recent dip in the relative strength index signals it was oversold.
But doesn't that also mean we could be chasing a mirage rather than investing in real value?
With all the hype surrounding meme coins, how much longer can this trend continue?
As long as celebrities like Elon keep promoting them, we could see a surge in interest.
It's like a roller coaster ride. Thrilling, but where's the safety bar?
It's not merely about trends. It's crucial to understand the underlying forces at play.
Overall, are we gearing ourselves up for success or bracing for another crash?
If I approach investing like surfing, I ought to be ready to ride the waves rather than wipe out.
Our guest is riding a wave of optimism, forecasting a substantial bounce for Bitcoin. What's fueling this bullish sentiment?
We're witnessing a bullish engulfing candle, which typically indicates an upward trend. It's as if the market is taking a deep breath before a sprint.
Whoa, a bullish engulfing candle sounds intense. How does that translate into actual profits?
My prediction isn't just a hunch. It's grounded in solid patterns that indicate massive growth ahead.
So you're saying this could be a financial jackpot for those who invest now?
It's like striking gold, but only if you know where to dig.
Look at this bullish engulfing candle. It's a solid sign that we're on an upward trajectory. Think of it as a green light at an intersection.
But how do we know it's not just a false start? What's the backup plan?
Solid past performance. These patterns have historically led to major rallies.
Ethereum is at a critical juncture. It could be the next altcoin to experience a breakout.
And how can viewers take advantage of that situation?
So essentially, prepare those long positions and you might ride the wave upwards.
Keep in mind, a bull market may only come once every 4 years. Seize the opportunity.
And don't hesitate to add to your positions. Like the tide rising, you don't want to miss the boat.
Right, invest wisely and watch those profits roll in.
George, you just noted that Bitcoin is hovering around $94,000, but altcoins are actually gaining some value today. What's happening?
Absolutely fascinating, right? While everyone's panicking about Bitcoin's price, the altcoins are responding favorably.
Could this be the elusive Christmas rally we've all been waiting for?
So George, you're suggesting that this widespread panic is unwarranted.
Indeed. Market dips are normal. Just like children don't grow at a constant rate, sometimes it's a sprint.
So it's all about buying low when everyone else is fearful.
We've seen 20 to 30% dips during previous bull runs, reminiscent of 2017. These behaviors are part of the cycle.
So it's like catching a cold before a big growth spurt.
Exactly. Right now, we're merely in that cold phase. So any predictions for the market after the holidays?
Historically, we see significant growth post-Christmas, especially after New Year's.
So, if I play my cards right, I can grab discounted coins before the inevitable surge.
Ultimately, remaining calm and acting on informed insights is the best strategy.
Think of it like a roller coaster. Those dips only heighten the thrill, but the ascent is where you feel the real excitement.
So enjoy the ride and leave panic behind.
In the words of Wayne Gretzky, it's all about skating to where the puck is going to be, and right now, that puck is quantum computing.
Precisely. With Google's new quantum chip Willow, the pivotal question is not if, but when quantum computing will impact cryptocurrency.
Are we suggesting that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin could be at risk? That sounds alarming.
The reality is, if quantum computers become fully operational, they could crack public key encryption almost instantaneously.
Wait, how does that even work?
It's akin to a game of cat and mouse. As quantum computers become more sophisticated, we must make our secrets harder to crack.
Unlike traditional computers that process bits, quantum computers utilize qubits, allowing them to be both 0 and 1 simultaneously.
So essentially, they could solve problems in seconds that would take regular computers ages.
Precisely. Think of them as massively parallel, superpowered calculators.
Most cryptocurrencies depend on encryption that quantum computers could potentially crack almost effortlessly.
But isn't Bitcoin designed with security in mind?
True, but it would still take thousands of logical qubits to compromise Bitcoin's encryption, something we haven't yet achieved.
Enhancing Bitcoin's encryption is like increasing your password length to deter attacks.
And quantum proofing is akin to changing your email address after every transaction.
Exactly. It's a stronger tactic, but comes with practical challenges. As quantum computing technology progresses, we'll witness a race to implement quantum-proof encryption.
Investing in quantum-resistant cryptocurrencies now could be a forward-thinking move.
So in essence, it's about anticipating the future and acting before it catches up to us.
Remaining informed and adapting is crucial in this rapidly changing environment.
If we view this as a chess game, we need to strategize our moves before our opponent makes a decisive play.
So don't hesitate. Now's the time to educate ourselves and prepare.
Is now the right time to secure your crypto investments? Lark Davis asserts that while Bitcoin faces challenges, altcoins may just be poised for a surge.
Absolutely. Despite Bitcoin's dip, the altcoin landscape is brimming with potential. It's like a wave ready to be surfed.
But what if the wave crashes? How do you discern which altcoins are trustworthy?
Lark argues that Bitcoin's downtrend doesn't mean the end. The S&P 500 is providing intriguing support.
That indicates potential upward movement that we can leverage in the altcoin market, right?
But how dependable is it to pivot to altcoins? Can investors really adapt that quickly?
Lark emphasizes, Bitcoin may look grim today, but don't overlook those solid altcoins standing by.
So, what indicators is he examining to support that claim?
Absolutely. The markets require consolidation. It's like planting seeds before spring.
Lark highlights the immense potential altcoins possess in this arena, pointing out several lucrative trading opportunities.
But how can traders distinguish which altcoin indicators are ripe for action?
Where should I invest without fear? I feel overwhelmed.
Lark challenges the audience. Are we trapped in an echo chamber of bullish sentiments for the first quarter? It's essential to reevaluate our market convictions.
How do we step beyond our echo chambers to gain a broader perspective?
It's akin to taking a leap of faith. Yes, risks exist, but that's where insight flourishes.
Lark hints at a potential breakout rally, especially with Bitcoin's dominance fading.
How do we prepare for this situation without overexposure?
It's like having an emergency kit for a storm. You can never predict when it will pay off.
Lark believes traders will need an arsenal of strategies. Investment tactics are evolving.
Does this mean we'll see an influx of educational content emerging in the crypto sphere?
Certainly. It's like training for a marathon. You need knowledge to endure the race.
In the end, Lark encourages staying engaged. Adapt to succeed. Knowledge is your greatest ally.
That truly resonates. It's like a delightful dance between the market's fluctuations.
So it's all about being proactive, monitoring trends, and never backing down.
What a fantastic array of insights from our guests today.
Definitely. Lark, Guy, George, and the others really laid bare the complexities of the crypto landscape.
It's intriguing that while everyone acknowledged Bitcoin's struggles, they all see different paths forward.
Exactly. For instance, while Lark is focusing on altcoin opportunities, Guy brings in that wild card of quantum computing.
Right? I mean, it makes you wonder how prepared we really are for those challenges.
And I love how George reassured us about the cyclical nature of these markets. It's a reminder that patience is key.
True. Yet, not everyone is on the same page about how quickly these markets will shift.
That's the beauty of these discussions. They keep us thinking, questioning, and ultimately informed.
Speaking of which, if you found today's video valuable, give us a thumbs up.
And make sure to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on future insights.
Thanks for tuning in. Check out our other videos for more financial gems.